Hello traders, before we get into this EA, just a quick one. You can actually download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with a lot of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. It's a simple way to test out automated strategies without overcomplicating things. Now, in this video, I am reviewing the Quantum Emperor EA, and this one is available for both MT4 and MT5. So whether you are on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, you can run this EA on your platform. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for Quantum Emperor EA. Right away, a few things stand out, but let's start with the price. Currently 799.99 US dollars. So it's not among the cheapest, right? And we can also see that um, that usually means that the developer is positioning this as a more advanced or specialized system, and the EA is specifically optimized for GBP USD on the H1 time frame, which already tells us that this is not a multi-strategy, multi-pair system. It's more focused, right? And typically, when an EA is this focused on a single pair, it means the logic is heavily tuned to how the market behaves. Now, the developer also emphasizes low spread accounts and proper execution. So it's important because this EA relies on managing multiple positions simultaneously. So execution quality is going to directly impact performance. Now let's talk about how this EA is designed to operate. At its core, this EA uses a position splitting strategy. Instead of opening a single trade, it breaks that trade into multiple smaller positions, usually around 5 or more. All right. Now, this approach does a couple of things. First of all, it allows for more flexible trade management. Instead of closing everything at once, the EA can partially manage positions, locking in profits on some while adjusting others. But the more interesting part is how it handles losing trades. So instead of immediately closing losing positions with a hard stop loss, it uses a kind of recovery logic. So when a batch of trades is in drawdown, the EA continues trading and uses profits from new winning positions to gradually offset and close the losing ones. Now, this is where things get a bit more complex because this type of approach is not purely trend following or purely greed. It's more like a hybrid recovery system. And while that can help smooth out losses in certain conditions, it also means exposure can build up if the market moves strongly in one direction. There is still a stop loss in place around 250 pips, but realistically, most of the management happens through this profit redistribution logic. On the exit side, the EA uses a trailing stop on the 1 hour chart, which allows trades to stay open longer and capture extended moves when the market trends. And then there is the auto lot sizing, which adjusts position size based on account conditions. So overall, this is an EA that is trying to balance controlled entries, flexible exits, and adaptive loss management. But the trade-off is increased complexity and potential exposure during unfavorable conditions. All right, so let's just move into the most important part, how this EA actually behaves in real market conditions. I have already downloaded the free demo, so we are going to be testing it on our strategy tester for MT5, and we are going to be testing it on the recommended pair and time frame, which are GBP USD and H1. All right, so let's go test the Quantum Emperor on GBP USD on the H1 time frame, and I'm running this from the start of the year. So we are looking at a solid stretch of market data, not just a short back test. So let's just go ahead and start. Meanwhile, I recommend testing this on a longer period, right? This is just approximately 4 months. So I recommend, testing it over a longer period, maybe a year or two or more, so that you can get a more comprehensive result over, a more extended set of market conditions. So let's just start the test. All right. And now we have the first trade already opened, and let's just see what we have here currently. So we have a buy trade, another buy trade, another buy trade, and we can see that instead of one position, the EA immediately opens multiple smaller trades. So this confirms that position splitting logic that we talked about earlier. So rather than committing fully at one price, it spreads exposure across several entries. Okay, so let's just continue. All right. So let's just pause here again. We are starting to see that okay, that was a buy trade before. Now we have a sell trade. All right. Let's just keep on going. So we can see another set of trades being executed. All right. You can see how the EA closes out multiple positions together. And this is basically how the EA cycles, build positions, manage drawdown, then close in profit or near break even when the market gives an opportunity. Okay, so we're just going to skip to the end and then analyze the results together. All right, so in less than a minute now, we should have the results out. But just to be clear, these are historical backtest results. Okay, so they are not a guarantee of future performance. They just, reflect how the EA performed under these specific conditions. Same pair, same time frame, same settings. Okay, now performance will vary depending on your lot size and risk settings, your broker conditions like spread and execution speed, and also market volatility and trend strength, right? So it's very important to test and optimize this EA yourself before using it on a live account. So let's see the results. Net profit minus $487.37 from a deposit of $3,000. Now we can see that there were quite a lot of trades taken, 283 total trades, 116 were short trades with a 94.83% win rate. Long trades were 167 with 82.04% win rate. So with this kind of win rate, we still had such a significant loss of a little bit above 15%. So that tells us that there was poor risk to reward ratio, and that is evident here. Largest profit trade was just $16. Largest losing trade was $100. Average profit trade was just $2.32. The average losing trade was $29.46. So this tells me that the risk to reward was poor. So overall, Quantum Emperor EA is not a simple trend following EA, and it's not a basic grid either. So it's more of a hybrid recovery based strategy, combining position splitting with profit redistribution. The biggest strength here is its ability to manage and recover trades dynamically, but the biggest risk is also clear. In strong one directional markets, exposure can build up and drawdowns can increase before recovery happens. So, this is best suited for traders who understand how recovery systems work and who are comfortable managing risk accordingly. It's definitely not a set and forget EA, but in the right conditions, maybe it could be beneficial, right? So, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.